Hello students, welcome back to the online class again. Now this is the third part, that is the third video session class of chapter number 3, data storage devices. As we have seen in the last chapter, we have seen the primary memory, that is the uh, read-only memory, and random access memory we have already done. Now let's continue with the next topic, that is the secondary memory, data storage devices. Now let's see here, koi mamangida primary memory, two types of primary memory critically, RAM and ROM, that is random access memory and read-only memory. The all we have already done. Now let's continue our chapter with secondary memory, that is data storage devices. Now let's see here data storage devices. Can you see? Now primary memory has limited capacity or is volatile, hence to save or store our work and data even when the computer is switched off, we need secondary memory. Now primary memory has limited capacity like volatile oil, hence to save or store our work save network store or data when the computer is switched off monkey RAM once the computer is switched off when the computer is switched off store secondary memory now these are data storage devices that are either fitted inside the CPU box. For example, the hard disk. The hard disk of a computer. Now all the work that you have been doing in the computer is saved in a hard disk. Okay, or are attached externally. For example, CD, DVD, or pen drive. Or you can save your work in a CD, DVD, or pen drive. CD, DVD network pen drive or computer khudingmakta hard disk CD compulsory computer the hard disk computer hard disk or fitted inside the CPU box when the CPU okay now or externally CD DVD pen drive save now, as the secondary storage devices provide additional storage, they are also called auxiliary storage devices. Now, these secondary storage devices provide additional storage. Additional storage like this CD, DVD, pen drive, additional storage will be provided to one another. They are also called auxiliary storage devices. Now, these secondary memory are also known as auxiliary storage devices. Secondary devices that is the secondary memory data storage devices are also known as auxiliary storage devices. Now, the storage capacity of secondary or external memory is much greater than the internal memory. The storage capacity is secondary primary RAM only 6 GB, 4 GB, 1 GB, 2 GB, and the hard disk 1 TB in terms of terabyte. So these storage devices, that is the secondary memory storage devices or the external memory storage devices is much greater than the internal memory. Now let's see here a hard disk. Now this picture given here is shown here is a hard disk. See hard disk size. Now this hard disk is fitted inside the CPU box. Computer की CPU box hapaga CPU box hard disk now whatever you have been doing or you have been saving in your computer is saved in this hard disk hard disk now once this hard disk is corrupted all your work would be lost hard disk corrupt as we use memory card in a smartphone also smartphone the memory card data photos videos but when that memory chip is corrupted memory chip likewise all the work that we have been doing what we do in a computer is saved in this hard disk now if it is corrupted then all the work that is saved in this hard disk will be lost now okay before it is corrupted, you can copy to some other storage devices other but once it is corrupted, all the work that has been saved in this hard disk will be lost in man storage devices now let's see here a hard disk. A hard disk is a part of a unit called hard disk drive that is fitted inside the CPU cabinet. Now, when we press save button while working on the computer, our work is saved in the hard disk of this computer. Sigi hard disk haiseda computer da tori thabu khudi makse sigi hard disk haida koi save ek namaga save to kre computer da save to kre haidu kadai duno computer gi kadai karamba mafam da karamba device da save to sigi hard disk da save to okay. Now, the hard disk is a magnetic disk with a huge storage capacity that enables us to save all our files, folders, music, pictures, videos, and other data securely in the computer. The folder, music, pictures, videos, and other data are securely saved to Tamil. Now, when you turn off the computer also, if you save your file in a hard disk, then you can use it later for future use if it is saved in a hard disk hapa thamagari computer turn off tawrasu restart tawrasu amu hanga matamda hard disk lawthoka aina tungi oinaba sijannabasu dum yae tungi oin sijannabe amu hanga sijannabu dum yae hard disk to one save to thamagari it can have a storage capacity of up to 1 terabyte 1 terabyte for storage capacity let's say hard disk these days we can also attach additional hard disks externally to our computer in order to save additional data or to take the backup of previous files. Koina precious files, koina atangba files in the kon thamjange haragadi chandragadi nangi hard disk data 1 terabyte so even in 1 terabyte also if your files cannot save okay file do yam dana save to yadragadi koni external hard drive hapchana ju yae hana yawba computer yawba hard disk ama khatang do daba hard disk amaga mo hapchen bu yai chi kaide or koina external drive id external hard drive tongan mapan dagi USB port dagi koina hard drive season ga hapu yai or manung da dum hana hard disk ma yawe hard disk ani suna amaga mo hapu slot lai adu manung da mo hapu yai hard disk ani hapa computer okay let us learn about some more secondary storage devices that not only help us save our work on them but also enable us to easily share or transfer it from one computer to another computer. Koi atopa storage devices, secondary storage devices okay, let's take some examples of secondary storage devices that help us to share and transfer it from one computer to another computer. Amada transfer to location to one matamda season aba karam atopa storage devices kara zoom now CD, the full form of CD is compact disc. You must have seen or used this round disc with a shiny surface. It can store up to 700 MB of data. A CD can either be a CD-ROM, read-only compact disc, CDR, recordable compact disc, or CDRW, that is rewritable compact disc. CD is the storage capacity of CD is only 700 MB of data. 700 MB kitang yai CD no uramani CD ji. Hujikandi anamana DVD ngata seasonare nowadays we use only these DVDs, but in earlier times we use these CDs also and floppy CDs seasonare. Seasonary CDs is seasonably, but most often we use these DVDs nowadays. Hujikandi ko DVDs ngata seasonare instead of these CDs because the storage capacity is more in DVD. The storage capacity of DVD is 4.7 and the storage capacity of CD is only 700 MB. Okay. Now CD is a CD-ROM. Habitually read only compact disc, only read or recordable record or record and rewritable. Amu record only amu okay, CD da kari makan mere CD-ROM read only compact disc or CDR recordable compact disc or CDRW, that is rewritable compact disc. Now the capacity of a CD-ROM and the capacity of a CD, that is a compact disc, is only 700 MB of data. Now let's see. Now here let's see for DVD. Now, what is the full form of DVD? Now, DVD we can see it as digital video discs or digital versatile discs. Now, both you can write, both are correct. Digital video discs also you can say, or digital versatile discs. Digital versatile discs hai so kaise pai de, or digital video discs hai so ya. Animak loinamak chumme. Digital versatile discs hai so chumi. Digital video discs hai so chumme. Okay, the full form of DVD. Now, a DVD looks similar to a CD but can hold data up to 4.7 GB, which is much more than a CD can hold. It not only holds a larger amount of data but its audio and video quality is also much superior. Audio का video quality का जो हम हेले इसना मयेक सेंगबा दुगा हानागिना only 700 MB खतानी CD दना जना 4.7 GB apa yae. 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB that we have already learned. Koi han tamri je 1024 MB ka 1 GB ka mane hai bani adudi chीज़ 4.7 GB ni almost some 5 or 6 times greater. Okay, see that you can store 5 or 6 times much storage than a CD dagi demand hele 6-7 times yena yae chीज़ na CD dagi DVD na. Storage capacity of DVD is 4.7. This we should remember. And storage capacity of compact disc, that is CD, is only 700 MB. This also you have to remember it. You can underline this. Now, Blu-ray disc VD. A Blu-ray disc also appears like a CD or a DVD as it has the same shape and size and thickness. Now, all these CD, DVD, and VD all have the same radius, all have the same size, all have the same thickness. But it is also very different from them. The groups on a Blu-ray disc are placed much closer. About 25 GB of data can be stored in a single Blu-ray disc. It is named so because blue laser is used to read these discs, and hence it can only run on a Blu-ray player. Though a Blu-ray disc cannot run in a DVD player, you can run your CDs and DVDs in a Blu-ray player. CDs का DVD का दी Blu-ray player दा था भैया है, but Blu-ray disc से CD you cannot play on DVD or you cannot play on a CD player. Now listen carefully. CD player amadadi DVD player था भैया दे. अदुबु DVD player amadadi CD player था बजाय DVD सु था भैया ने. DVD disc से था भैया नहीं, CD से था भैया नहीं, DVD से था भैया नहीं DVD player दे. Okay, likewise in a Blu-ray disc. Now this Blu-ray disc BD has it can only be played in Blu-ray player. But the Blu-ray player katana thabayagani. Okay, but see Blu-ray disc is CD player to thabayaroi, DVD player to thabayaroi. It can only play on BD player. That is Blu-ray disc player, Blu-ray player the katangyan. But in a Blu-ray player the CD to thabayai, DVD to thabayai. Okay. Pangan ko CD player da CD thabe ai, DVD say CD player da thabe abra, CD player da thabe ade. You cannot play a DVD on a CD player, but the CD can be played on a DVD player. This CD can be played on a DVD player. CD player da DVD thabe ade, adubu DVD player da di CD ju thabe ai, DVD ju thabe ane. Animak thabe ai, CD ju DVD player thabe ai. Likewise, matodumna Blu-ray player da Blu-ray thabayani, but Blu-ray player da DVD ju thabayai, CD ju thabayai. But see Blu-ray disc this cannot be played on DVD player ju thabayade, CD player ju thabayade. CD player da Blu-ray disc BD je. Blu-ray disc thabayade, DVD player ju Blu-ray disc thabayade. But this Blu-ray disc can be played on only in Blu-ray player. See DVD player show है. Blu-ray disc cannot be run in DVD player. You can run your CDs and DVDs in a Blu-ray player. Blu-ray player दे CD का DVD जो था बदी यानी, but ꯁꯤꯒꯤ Blu-ray disc DVD player ꯗ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ, CD player ꯗ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ. Okay, got my point. Let's see here a BD, that is a Blu-ray disc, can store up to 25 GB. Now you can underline this. DVD na 4.7, underline this. CD na 700 MB, you can underline this also. Now here comes a pen drive. A pen drive is also known as a flash drive. A flash drive, also known as a pen drive, or it may be called as a USB drive, is a very small storage devices that can be easily carried anywhere in your pocket. This does not need any special drive or player to run. It can be directly inserted into the USB port of the computer to run or to transfer data. Now, flash drives are available with storage capacity as little as 256 MB and as much as 1 TB. This means that you can easily transfer your huge amount of data using a flash drive. It takes very little space and does not require careful handling as in the case of CDs and DVDs and BDs. Now it can be formatted again and again for multiple uses. Akoina siki pen drive sijanabji pen drive akoina flash drive haisu khangnei, or in other term da USB drive haisu yae. Sise akoina pikpada MP da 256 MB dagina 1 TB bok lei magi storage capacity si CD natraga DVD natraga BD da yamna careful handling ju maonda di maru oide. Because the hapaga pocket hapaga adum chatta yae. DVD gumbadi take pa yawi, khot pa yawi, scratch laigagadi thabada hang dawi chapem. Okay, see the pen drive CD because the hapa pocket hapaga chatpa adagi pairaga chappa matamda the take pa khotpa scratch laiba khotpa adumba thok te bisidadi ana yamna careful handling ju mongondadi mathau ta deba. Okay, careful handling hadi kon CD gumba DVD gumba BD gumba puba matamda yam careful handling tok de one scratch laigagadi thaba yaroi karab oigidoini, or careful handling tok de suppose it take kragadi kai kragadi adu season aba yaudini maina jadi flash drive tadi thok ta de badagi aduga hanjan format toraga haibdi hanjan file se delete toraga adum hanjan season aba yae pen drive tadi. Okay, kangani ko sidai on CD tadi only 700 MB, DVD 4.7, ado double layer DVD habisu leiko aduna 8.5 GB gumbo oi sidai like tadi yaudre ado sina Blu-ray disc 25 GB ni ado double layer Blu-ray disc habam silai aduna 50 GB gumbo oi sigina double layer DVD oiragana 8.5 gumbo oiba. Then pen drive na 256 MB dagi horaga 1 TB bo space capacity lay haiba. You were careful handling like CDs and DVDs are not necessary. Now it can be formatted again and again hanjan files delete toraga amuk anoba mo hapsan ba dum yae. Now computer memory is divided into two parts, that one is the primary memory, again is the secondary memory. Now this primary memory is again divided into RAM and ROM. The full form of RAM is random access memory, full form of ROM is read only memory. Okay, here it's shown in a flowchart. A flowchart key style da ulinis the ulisi secondary memory da fitted inside computer, secondary memory the carbon of fitted inside computer da happy hard disk size CPU gi manung hapa fitted inside computer. Sisna kari attach externally mapanda hapasna to the computer da CD gumba, DVD gumba, BD gumba, pen drive gumba. Okay, now here completes our chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, the storage devices Now before buying a storage device, determine the size of the data that you want to store in it. Calculate the cost per MB of data for each device you are considering. Do not buy a secondary storage device having a large capacity just to show off, because the larger the capacity, the more price you have to pay. Nangna data oibadumak layu space to data storage to secondary storage device amagi storage to chawrim kai paisa do hengalakadoini costlier oirakadoini aduna nangna data leiba MB do kitang layu ahenba layuga mingonda show off tobagi kanade dena 2 MB 3 MB 4 MB kitang way di pen drive 4 MB 8 GB yama 8 GB or so 8 GB suppose you need a pen drive of 2 GB way di nang maybe 2 GB 4 GB lay okay so kay ang kaya hen chaw lay bagi athok ta de. Okay, now let us recall what we have done in this chapter. Now a computer has many components and attachment that perform specific functions. All these parts together are called hardware of computer peripherals. Computer da koina sammiba parts momsung components and desibu koina hardware na tagana computer peripherals haga khangnai. The hardware of computer can be categorized as input devices, processing unit, output devices, and storage devices. Hardware. Now, devices in which a computer stores data, instructions, and information are called storage devices. Storage devices serve as the memory of the computer. Computer की memory store होना भी होता है कोई नहीं चीज़ devices है कोई सी वो storage devices है रखना नहीं. Now there are two types of computer memory. Ni primary memory have हमने secondary memory have हमने. Again, primary memory are storage devices without which a computer cannot run. Now without this primary memory, a computer cannot be run. They are further divided into two types. The first one is RAM and the second one is ROM. The details of RAM and ROM we have already learned in the previous class. Primary memory storage yaudana computer se run tawba yade adu primary memory si ani thona haidoi kari amna RAM habama ROM habama RAM ga ROM si magi in details da mamangi class da koi tawbaduni. Now, secondary memory comprises storage devices that are fitted in the computer. There is hard disk computer or attachment externally CD or DVD or video or pen drive or. Now here completes our chapter number 3, data storage devices. Now I'll send you the textual exercises and the extra questions through Google Classroom. Google Classroom the update you can see your extra questions and these textual exercises in the Google Classroom. I will update in the Google Classroom. So you should regularly check your Google Classroom. Okay students, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.